done something before. I'm thinking that after dinner, brother and I would go down under.
Mate, that's a terrific idea. I'd love to be your guide.
Boo! You trying to scare me right now? Come on, you can do better than that. What do you got?
Okay. If by the end of this century the Earth is warmed up just 5 degrees, then we'd have 50% more people, but 50% less food.
Didn't take.
The best predictor for if someone's going to get sentenced to jail time is whether or not the judge has eaten lunch in the past 2 hours. The dolphin actor who played Flipper in the original Flipper committed suicide by refusing to breathe. 16% of all cell phones have poop on them. 20% of all office coffee mugs also have poop on them. Fecal matter can penetrate at least 15 layers of toilet paper. They don't sell 15-ply toilet. There are more juggalos on the planet right now than there are polar bears. Oh, God.
Hey, wait, where are you going? I think that one worked.